Making inferences from a random sample. Skew. Remember, you can have the data skewed left, it can be skewed right, and that just makes the data look misleading or inaccurate. Center is the median. That's the middle. The spread is the range, the difference, the largest minus the smallest. And the shape, is it symmetrical? Is it bell-shaped? Is it skewed left? Is it skewed right? Okay, using dot plots to make inferences. Rosie asked students on the lunch line how many books they had in their backpack. She recorded the data as a list. Make a dot plot for the books carried by this sample of students. Okay, we're going to have a dot on 2, 6, 1, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 2. Complete each qualitative inference about the population. Most students have at least one book in their backpack. Most students have fewer than blank books in their backpack. I would say fewer than 5. Okay. Most students have between, let's say, 1 and 4 books in their backpack. Okay. And what could Rosie do to improve the quality of her data? Well, Rosie needs to have a larger sample size. She needs to ask more people. So Rosie could have a larger sample size. Meaning she needs to ask a lot more people than just the ones in the lunch line. Okay, so let's take a look at proportions and inferences. A shipment to a warehouse consists of 3,500 MP3 players. The manager chooses a random sample of 50 MP3 players and finds that at least 3 are defective. How many MP3 players in the shipment are likely to be defective? So we have 3 defective and a total of 50 in the shipment. Okay, if this side is defective to total, this side is defective to total. They want to know how many are defective out of 3,500. So we do the cross product rule. We're going to say 3,500 times 3. We have 0, 0, 15. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have 10,500 divided by 50. We can chop off a 0 here and a 0 here. Goes in there 2 times. Goes in there 1 time. And 0 times. So we're looking at 210 are going to be defective out of 3,500. What if, how many MP3 players in the shipment would you predict to be damaged if 6 MP3s in the sample had been damaged? So if we have 6 damaged out of a shipment of 50, and we are predicting it out of a total of 3,500. How many are damaged? So we can do the cross product rule. 3,500 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 3 is 21. So we're going to do 21,000 divided by 50. 5 can go into here 4 times. 5 can go into 10 2 times. And 5 can't go into 0. So we're looking at 420 are going to be damaged. Alright, we're going to use box plots to make inferences. The number of pets owned by a random sample of students at Park Middle School is shown below. Use the data to make a box plot. So first we want to order the data from least to greatest. So we have 0, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9. Okay, so remember we need to first make a number line. So that'll be 0 through 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we'll have a dot on 0 for the least or the minimum. We'll have a dot on 9. We'll have a dot for the median, which is 3. Okay, the lower quartile has 2 2s in it, so that would still just be 2. The upper quartile has a 5 and a 6, so that would be 5.5. You would make a box around 2 and 5.5, draw a line for the median, extend to the greatest value, and extend to the least value. Okay, complete each qualitative information about the population. A good measure for the most likely number of pets would be the median, which is 3. So 50% of the students have between blank and 3 pets. 0 and 3 pets, because remember, this is 25 and this is 25. And almost every student in Parkview has at least 1 or more pets. All right.